Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, if you are passionate about AI and machine learning, we have got an amazing opportunity for you. Birlasoft is looking for an associate data scientist, and this could be your chance to make a real world impact in the world of AI. So, let's dive into all the details, including how you can apply and start your career in Birlasoft. So, first, let's talk about the Birlasoft. So, Birlasoft is basically a powerhouse where domain expertise, enterprise solutions, and digital technologies come together to drive innovations, and business efficiency. So, they are a part of the prestigious CK Birla Group, a multi-billion-dollar enterprise with over 12,500 professionals worldwide. And now they are looking for someone just like you to join their dynamic team. So the role of the particular is going to be associate data scientist, as you can see on your screen, and the role we are highlighting is in the terms of AI and machine learning field. So if you have a strong background in AI and machine learning, predictive modeling, data analysis, and feature engineering, this could be your perfect fit. So let's discuss some of the key responsibilities of this particular role. So as you can see on your screen, they are mentioned over here. Uh, so it will be somewhat like developing and implementing machine learning models using tools like scikit-learn, NumPy, Pandas, and PyCaret. You'll also be working with advanced technologies like random forest, gradient boosting machines, and support vector machines (SVM) for model building. You'll also be utilizing your expertise in AI to build predictive models and contribute to groundbreaking innovations. Sounds exciting, right? So let's talk about the skills you will need to success in this particular role. So you should have the proficiency in Python or SQL, along with for data manipulation, you need Python and SQL, and analysis as well. Along with that, you also need experience with machine learning libraries such as scikit-learn, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and PyCaret. Along with that, you also need a strong knowledge in data analysis, feature engineering, and natural language processing. So, this if you have these skills, you are already ahead in the game. So that's it. And the good news is this opportunity is open to any graduate. So whether you are completed your degree in computer science engineering or any related field, this could be your chance to sign. Basically, Birlasoft is hiring for multiple locations, including Noida, Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, and Bangalore, and of course Hyderabad as well. So if you will have the flexibility in choosing the office that works best for you. Now let's go get to the part you have been waiting for, how to apply. So the link for this I would be sharing the description along with the necessary link how you can improve yourself, and also with the WhatsApp and Telegram channel links also that I would be adding in the description. So that's it. This is your chance to join a global leader in technology and innovations. And if you're passionate about AI, machine learning, and data science, Birlasoft could be a perfect place for you to grow and excel. So what are you waiting for? Apply now and take the next step in your career. Uh, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career opportunities and tech-related contents. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We would love to help. So that's it from this video, and see you in the next video.